Hi everyone, I am Alina, a small business owner and the creator behind Alina Craft Studio. I run my own Etsy shop where I sell handmade party supplies like cake and cupcake toppers, custom letters and other party decor for birthday and baby shower. Over the years, I've learned a lot about best way to package and ship my products to make sure they arrive safe and looking perfect. Today I'm going to show all my shipping process, from selecting the right packaging materials to getting everything ready for shipping. If you are looking ideas for start your own business and make party decor supplies, this video will definitely be interesting for you. To start, let me show you the packaging materials I use. I buy most of my supplies from Amazon. For your convenience, I will include links to everything in the video description below, so you can check them out too. Here is what I use to ensure my products arrive safe and well presented. First, let's talk about bubble mailers. I use two sizes, large and small. They are great for sending pin buttons, cupcake toppers and also birthday banners. The second, corrugated boxes for larger and delicate items like 3D letters or cupcake toppers. They are sturdy and prevent damage during shipping. I will talk about them in more detail later. The next supply are corrugated layer pads. I use them to add extra protection inside the bubble mailers. They help keeping items from bending or shifting. The next supply are plastic bags. I wrap my products to protect them from the water. I also use several sizes. Also, I use tissue paper and my favorite color is white. This color goes with everything and always looks fresh. When I package in my 3D letters, I use bubble wrap to secure fragile items. Some of them are reused from my Amazon orders. When I assemble my boxes, I use two types of packaging tape. One of them clear heavy-duty packaging tape and another one with my logo, which I ordered from Sticker Mall. It definitely makes a professional touch to my packages. In every order I include a thank you card. I design this card myself, print them at home using my printer and cut them to size. I add to my cards the links on my social media, which will allow my customers to easily find me and to share with me feedbacks and pictures. Each material serves a specific purpose and together they help me create a reliable and attractive packaging system. Now let's go through how I pack each type of my party decoration. Let's start from packaging the cake toppers. I pack them in two ways. For 2 years I send them in bubble mailers. I wrap each item in tissue paper and placed it between corrugated layer pads. This method works for me without any problems until I receive 3 damaged packages in 1 month. After that I started sending toppers in boxes. I have been sending this way for the last year and I haven't had any negative experiences. Here is the box for cake toppers. One of the most common questions I get in the comments is how I ship my 3D letters. So let me show the full process step by step. First I wrap each letter in tissue paper, then place it into a plastic bag for extra protection against dust and moisture. If I have order with several letters, I can wrap 2 letters into one bag. Next, I assemble the shipping box. I made my branded self-adhesive tape, which adds a professional touch to my packaging. It's very easy to use. You have to cut the tape, then activate adhesive side with a wet sponge. If you are curious about how I ordered this custom tape, feel free to ask in the comments and I will be happy to record a new tutorial. I also fill any empty spaces with packing air pillows to keep the items snug and prevent movement during shipping. In these slides you can see the box sizes I use for each case. The most popular for one letter, also for multiple letters, and this box I use when I have letters and cupcake topper in one order. For smaller cupcake topper orders, I pack each one in individual plastic bags. Then I add a thank you card, place everything between two layers of sturdy cardboard for extra support. And finally, I seal it all in a plastic mailer. Sometimes for my roses orders, I make holders and pack cupcake toppers to the box. The same way I pack large cupcake orders to the boxes. My pin button orders I pack in bubble mailers. They fit perfectly and protect against scratches. I also wrap in a tissue paper and add a thank you card. Here let's talk about confetti. They are lightweight. Each set I pack into individual bag, then add a thank you card and place it into a plastic mailer. Finally, I print the shipping label and attach it to the package. I handle the entire process through the Etsy's platform, which makes it super convenient and quickly. Etsy automatically fills in the buyer's information, calculates the shipping cost, and allows me to print the labels in just a few clicks. I have a video on my YouTube channel where I show how I print my custom labels, so be sure to check it out. Once the label is on, I drop the package off at my local post office and it's ready to make its way to my customer. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I pack and ship my Etsy orders. This is my current method, but I'm always looking for ways to improve and love learning from other sellers about their packaging techniques. If you have any tips or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on running a small business, and thank you for watching this video.